Welcome all. Previously, we have seen how to implement NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, and NOR gate using NAND gate. In this video lecture, we will see how to implement a XOR gate and XNOR gate using a NAND gate. First, we will see how to get XOR gate using a NAND gate. Again, I will write the expression of XOR gate, which is y is equal to a complement b plus ab complement. Again, I will take the double complement of left hand side, so the equation will look like this one. Here this equation is rewritten as y is equal to a complement b plus ab complement its complement and its complement. This is written over here. Now I will solve this complement using De Morgan's second term, which will gives you a complement b its complement into ab complement its complement and again their whole complement. This equation is written over here. In this, the OR operation is converted into AND operation. I will stop over here and I draw the logic diagram for this expression, which will ultimately gives you the expression of XOR gate. Now we will draw the logic diagram. For this equation, first there are two terms, a complement b and ab complement. First I will get those two terms, and there are total four variables, a complement, b complement. So I have to get a complement variable and b complement variable at the initial stage. So I can get a complement using one NAND gate, NAND as a NOT, which will use you a complement. Again, using second NAND gate, I can get a b complement. Now I have a variable and its complement, b variable and its complement. Now I can get this first term, that is a complement b its complement, using a third NAND gate. So I will connect another NAND gate to this. I will connect this a complement and this b. So at the output of this NAND gate, I will get a complement b its complement. Now I can get this term, that is ab complement and its complement, using fourth NAND gate. I will connect this b complement to this and this a to this, which will gives you a into b complement and its complement. Now I got two terms, A complement B its complement, AB complement its complement. Now if I use another NAND gate, and if I connect these two outputs to this, I will get this expression. If you solve this expression further, you will get the expression of XOR gate. This is how we can get XOR gate using NAND gate. Now next we will see how to get XNOR gate using NAND gate. Again we will write the expression of XNOR gate, which is y is equal to AB plus A complement B complement. Now we will take double complement of this equation. Wait. We will take double complement of this one. Now we will solve the one complement to convert the OR into the AND operation. That is, the equation will become like this: AB complement. Using De Morgan's theorem, I am writing this one into A complement B complement its complement and their whole complement. Now the OR operation is converted into AND. Now I can implement the XNOR gate with this equation. This equation is written over here. Now let us see how we can get this one. Again, in this there are two terms. First one is AB complement and second one is A complement B complement its complement. So to get these two terms, I require A variable and its complement, B variable and its complement. First I will get A and A complement. Using one NAND gate, I can get A complement by connecting a common input A to its inputs. Using another NAND gate, I can get B complement by connecting a B input. Now I have A and its complement, B and its complement. Now the first term in our equation is AB complement. I can get that using one NAND gate. I will draw that NAND gate over here. I will connect this A to this and this B to this, which will gives you AB complement. Now the second term in our equation is A complement B complement and its complement. For that I will use another NAND gate. I will draw that NAND gate over here. To that I will connect this A complement and this B complement, which will gives you A complement B complement and its complement. Now I have both the terms, that is AB complement and A complement B complement its complement. To get final equation I will use another NAND gate. To that I will connect this term as an input and this term as an input. At this I will get this equation, which will again gives you the expression of XNOR gate after solving using De Morgan's theorem. This is how we can convert a XNOR gate, we can get the XNOR gate using NAND gate. These are the some examples which you have to solve at your own. Realize following equation using NAND gate only. The procedure is same. First we have to take the double complement of left hand side of the given equation, solve that equation so that we can have the product terms in our equation. Solve until we get the product terms, that is solve until we can convert the OR operation present in the given equation into the AND operation, so that you can draw the logic diagram using NAND gate. Thank you.